created your one sheet or your media kit, and now you're thinking, what now? I'm Melody Ann, your host. This is Author Nation, and today we're talking about going from media kit to media coverage. So you've got this kit, but now what? It's sitting in your Google Drive, it's a PDF, but just sitting there, it's not doing its job. And I know authors sometimes think if I write the book, they will come. If I build the media kit, they will come, but that's not how you use a media kit to get booked. A media kit is only valuable when it gets in front of the right people. So make your media kit work for you by pairing it with a smart strategy. And in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 smart strategies to help you get in front of the right people, because that media kit is a launch pad. So let's turn it into traction and turn it into action. Here are 3 ways to get your book in front of people. Number 1, I want to talk about getting booked on podcasts. Why? Podcasts are gold for nonfiction authors. You get niche audiences, you get long-form conversations, and you get built-in trust. Those podcast hosts have taken the time to build something for you, and so you can come in. So whatever you do, don't just mass pitch podcast hosts. Do your research. Find shows that fit with your book topic and have the right audience for you. And then personalize your email and attach your one sheet or your media kit to immediately give hosts everything they need. I'm a podcast host. I can tell you, when people send me a really tight pitch letter, it's like, this is what I think your audience is going to want. Here's the media kit. Here's some questions. I'm like, this, you're just making it so easy for me to say yes. So personalize it. And if you're looking for a full plan, we have resources to help you pitch podcasts and land interviews with your media kit. You can check it out, the links below. So next, pitching to journalists and other media. From local newspapers, national outlets, journalists, reporters, they're always looking for fresh voices, expert fresh voices who are there to talk about timely topics, not old topics, but timely topics. That's what reporters and journalists are looking for. They want to talk about what is going on in the world right now. So you can use your media kit as a quick glance portfolio, right? You have your bio, you have your headshot, you have your book summary, you have your story angles. So you can make it easy for reporters, for bloggers, for journalists to say yes, especially when your pitch is tied into current events. So if something is happening in the world that you can talk about, go grab your one sheet, add that topic, find the journalist who wants to talk about it, and send them a direct pitch to them. Refer to their past work on the topic and let them know you have expertise and you'd love to sit down with them and talk it through. What an easy article for them to write. And isn't that what they're looking for? Somebody to help them write an easy article, because being a journalist and spitting out content all the time is not necessarily an easy job. Make it easy for them. Make it easy for reporters. Make it easy for bloggers to say yes to you. Tie your pitch to current events. Update that one sheet. This is a classic book publicity strategy for authors. Publicity, like PR people use it because it works. And you don't have to hire a PR person to do this. You can do this as well. All right, let's talk about reaching bookstores or events with your media kit. Bookstores, libraries, community events, they need speakers, they need authors to feature, but they don't always have time to dig around. You know how busy everyone is. Now, a polished media kit shows that you're professional, you're prepared, and you're ready to deliver value. But remember, if you took the 5-day challenge with me, you know that you could have one sheet for bookstores because they're looking for different information, or you can have a one sheet for you as a speaker because they might be looking for different information. So if you haven't done that, go do the 5-day challenge. We'll sort it out for you. But remember, your polished media kit shows you as a professional. It shows that you're ready. It shows that you're willing to help them make it easy. So you're going to include event topics, past appearances, what makes your book a good fit, or if it's for a bookstore, you need all the buying information, the ISBN, everything they need to put it into their inventory so they can sell it for you. I'll tell you though, it's usually on consignment, especially at the beginning, because they don't know you. They don't know the book, they haven't read it. And so usually it starts with consignment, but I know authors who have moved from consignment to bookstores just buying their book because they love them so much. This is how you get speaking gigs with the media kit, or this is how you get into bookstores, by being proactive and easy to work with. That's important. All three of these, you want to be easy to work with. So turn your media kit into opportunities. Don't wait for someone to discover you. That is not how it works. You need to put yourself in front of people, be visible so they see you and they see that it's really easy to work with you. You're a great fit. You've made that obvious. You can do that by pitching a podcast, emailing a journalist, or contacting a local bookstore. Which one are you going to do first? Drop me a comment. I'd love to cheer you on. And if you don't have a media kit, no problem. We've got resources for you to build one, and they will be in the description below. So keep writing, keep going, keep promoting, keep telling your stories, because your book has a place in the world, and it is up to you to help that book